Hello everybody, my name's Tahina, and today I have some stuff to show you. The Erin Condren team sent me a collaboration, which is the New Year, New Workspace collab, and I wanted to show you the items that they sent me and review them. I will have a link to every item down in the description box, and right now, as you're watching this, Erin Condren is having a New Year sale of 25% off, and you can also use your coupons or a coupon. Let me say that because it's changed. So you can use one coupon and you can use your points. So it's a good time to purchase these items, and I will have a link to the entire shop as well. And I just wanted to show you the items that I got. Some of the items I already know how to review the item, but some of them are new to me. So let's get started. So the first item that I'm going to show you are these new pens. They always have pens. They've had dual tip markers and stuff like that, but now they're doing fine liners. It's the latest thing. And so this is the colorful liner pens in a 10-pack. There's actually 2 packs that are available on the website. It's this pack and an eco-friendly pack. And the Focus collection. I purchased this maybe a month ago or something like that. So these are 2 packs, but I'm going to tell you about these. But it comes in a yellow, you get a red, you get a purple. Well, you get 2 purples, you get a black, and you get 3 blues, a green, and like a teal color. And I'm not going to open this since I already have this pack, but I will put up here what the colors look like. I'll do a swatch and put this up. But I really love the Erin Condren pens. Me personally, I'm a lefty, and because I'm a lefty, I have issues with pens, and on top of that, the way I write, pens are very, very cruel to me, personally, because either they skip all the time, or I get the marking on my hand every time I write. So I'm very particular when it comes to pens, but the Erin Condren pens are really good. I really like. There's a couple that I don't like the Focus one, the $20 one, the gold Focus one, does not write well for me. Everybody loves that pen, and I bought it, and it does not work well for me, which is sad because I really do like that pen. The ballpoint pens that twist and they have different like themes to them, those do not work for me either. But these work. The dual tip marker, like the felt tip pens work for me. And the quick ones that were it's like a 3-pack, it's a blue, a pink, and a gray. Those work really well for me. So just, if you like pens, give them a try. And like I said, because of the sale, they're not going to be as much as they would usually be. So now is a good time to do that. Okay, next up, they have a couple different options for the accordion zipper pouch. This is the large one. I have the smaller one. See, I have one of the smaller ones, and they come in 6. So there's a couple different colors. Like this one isn't available anymore. I think this was the first one. Sorry. You couldn't see my face. But I think this is the first one that they came out with. But they have, I believe they have a purple or a blue one available in the shop. And they came out with these large ones. I don't know if you can tell, but they're like twice as big. So, and these are 3. And these are perfect for when, you're traveling and stuff. You could put, sorry if you're a male, but you could put your pads or tampons in one, you could put your makeup in one, and you could put your brushes in another. So these are perfect. I really like the striped one. I do not have this one. I do have the color blends one. I just purchased that one, and I want the cheetah one, but I'm debating whether to get it or not. And they have, I believe they still got the floral one too. So, and they might have a mid-century one now that I think about it. So there's different options, different themes. You know, these are really good. And I'm definitely going to put this in my travel bag. So next up is a new to me item. It's the Ultimate Desk Organizer. And this is new to me. I did see it and I wasn't too sure about it, so I never purchased it. I believe there's 2 or 3 options. You got the stripe one, and I want to say maybe a floral one or an in bloom one. But you open it up and you could put papers in here, like notes or letters or anything like that. You could put your favorite pens in here, or a whiteout, or, you know, anything like that. You could put your favorite pad in here. There's lots of options. You know, paper clips up here, you know, little sticky notes right here. And you could put it on your desk and just show it off. Or you can close it and put it on your bookcase. You know, perfect. So, this, like I said, I wasn't too sure about it, but now that I have it in my hands, it's really good. And it's got that hard cardboard, so it'll be really sturdy. It won't, you know, tear off or anything like that. And this is pretty hard too. Not as hard as this, but it's flexible enough so you could put some more papers in there once it starts getting full. So that's a good option to have in your office. Next up is this, and this is a new item for me too. This is the rotating desk organizer. And they have them in 2 sizes. There's this one, which is the medium, and then they have a large. I believe the large has more colors. This one just has 3, the pink, the like mauve color, not, well, kind of mauvey, and then a purple. But I think the other one has like blue and stuff, like more colors to go for. But this is really, this is a nice size too though, because I was debating whether to get these or not. And right here, oh, I didn't know this came off, but right here could be for your pens, whiteout, erasers, sticky notes, SD cards, or flash drives. You know, you could put a ton of stuff here. If you don't want to put it in your office, you could also use it for like kitchen or bathroom. So the kitchen, you could put, you know, like ketchup packets, hot sauce, you know, you could do a whole bunch of stuff with this. And with the bathroom, you could Q-tips, cotton balls, you know, tissues, all that stuff. So you can really use this for a lot of stuff. And I'm glad that they sent me this because I'm really going to use this. I really like this. But they're both in the mid-century circles. So if you like that pattern, that's another good idea to get this. Okay, so the next item is the wall calendar, the metallic wall calendar. I think that's what it's called. I'm just using this one. They sent me another one, but I didn't want to take it out of the package because I'm going to give it to someone. But this is mine. I just took off December's so you could see how it looks. These do not go off the monthly colors in the Life Planner. So they're just random, I'm assuming. Like January is pink. Usually February would be pink. But you get 18 months in here. It does start, I will say that it does start in August. The only thing about this, like say you purchase it today, right? August, September, October, November, December, you can't use. But you can always put stickers on it if you wanted to use it for a different year, or you needed a second calendar next year and you didn't have the money or anything like that. You could put stickers on it to cover the dates and use it, put it in your kitchen or whatever. So, but it's always 18 months. So if you have an 18-month one, it'll go to the end of the next year. So when the next one comes out, you're gonna have copies. Basically, you're gonna have August, September, October, November, and December. If you purchase this now and then purchase it in August I think it's June or July when it comes out again for the next year. So you will have copies, but if you don't mind that, then, it's a good purchase. And especially with somebody like the person that I'm going to give it to, they're going blind. They say they're going blind, so they can't see nothing. So this is a good idea to use. And you can always decorate it with washi or stickers. That's what I do. And I put it's for the desk, but I put it on my wall next to my desk. So that way I can see it and it doesn't get ruined. So there's a good option. Now, this is the next item. It is a laptop stand, basically. And they have two options. They have this option, which is the focus, and they have a blush option. Now, this I actually purchased for myself because I don't use it for the laptop, because I think that's kind of weird when you have the laptop like that. I don't know, that might just be me, but it just looks weird to me. So I didn't get it for that. I got it for I'm still debating on it, either for a planner stand. I do have a planner stand. It's one of those plastic ones, the Hello Kitty one, but I thought this would go better with my office look that I'm trying to go for. So I purchased this, or I'm going to use it for my iPad, to hold my iPad when I look at YouTube videos while I'm designing stickers or whatever. And the good thing about this is it's like wood, like real wood. And it has a little hook thing, and it has different tabs, so you could put it like this, or if you want it lower, you could put it like that. There's 5 notches on here, so, and this is, that's just to, put it away, that last one. So it has 4 notches that you can use. So, yeah. So this is a really good option if you like watching something while you're working, or you might be writing a paper for school or something like that. This is a good option to do. Now, the last item that they sent me, you should already know about if you know anything about Erin Condren, is the life planner. I love the life planners. I get them every year. I have tried every single one, and there's a couple that work for me, and there's a couple that, but I love this cover. I do not have this cover. And what they sent me was the hourly in the color blends. And I love how this looks, the color blends. And you get, if you don't know, you get monthly view, you get notes page, a dashboard, and then you get your weeklies. And there's so many options when it comes to the life planner. There's hourly, vertical, horizontal, daily. There's also an academic one. There's also a monthly one. And there's also a teacher planner. And they have them in the coil, and they also have them in softbound. So if you think the coil is too big, or you don't like the coil. I didn't like the coil either, but when I went to, at one point, I think it's only the daily now, but at one point they had it in a binder as well. I tried the binder because I didn't like the coil, but I didn't like the binder. So I went back to the coil. I tried some softbounds, but not really. I don't know. I'm a coil girl, I guess, because I always go back to the coil. Like I said, there's so many options they have a planner for everybody, depending on how you are. And they also have, if you like TNs, they also have a planner that's like a TN, and you can get little notebooks to go in there, and it's perfect. And they also have now a ring planner that's called the Ring Agenda, and they have covers that go with it. I have a couple of the Ring Agendas too, so, but like I said, I'm a coil girl, and I will have everything linked down below, and I would really appreciate you using my links if you purchase anything. I am an affiliate, so I will get some commission if you do use my links, but it's no cost to you. And I would love it if you would subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And I will see you next time.